Hi guys, this video is show you how to replace the spark plugs for Nissan March. So I'm going to take this out, this top intake manifold, and you can see the spark plugs underneath on it. Now the spark plugs that already replace it. Now I'm putting the coils in connection. After that, I will put the intake manifold on top. So this is the intake manifold and the throttle body there inside. Make sure the gasket is in place. So this is the intake. This is the old spark plugs. It's not working anymore. Now put the top cover and then uh, put the bolt first so that it will not taking out again. Put the top cover and then the manifold. Now it's done, and gonna start the engine. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe or thumbs up in my channel.